Most Nigerians don't trust health insurance, and honestly, I don't blame them. But that mindset is costing them more money than they realize. When you talk to people about health insurance, you hear things like, it's a scam, they won't cover you when you need it, or I'll rather keep my money. And honestly, some of these concerns comes from real experience. But here is what you're missing. Health insurance is not perfect, but ignoring it completely is even more dangerous. The first problem is misunderstanding. A lot of people think health insurance is something you use to make profit, so when they don't feel sick, they'll feel cheated. But that's not how it works. You're not investing, you're protecting yourself. The second reason is bad experience. Someone used a plan, it didn't cover what they expected, and now they feel all health insurance is useless. But in most cases, the issue is not insurance itself, it's choosing the wrong plan or not understanding it. Then there is this idea, I'll just save my money. Sounds smart until reality hits. Medical emergencies are not planned, and in most cases, people don't have enough saved up to take care of serious emergencies. Let me ask you a simple question. If you had to pay 300,000 naira for treatment today, would you be ready? Would you be able to pay it? That's the real reason health insurance exists. Not because you will use it every month, but because when you need it, it can save you from financial stress. Instead of asking, will I get my money back? The better question is, if something happens, will I be okay? Health insurance is not about trust or no trust. It's about understanding how it works and using it the right way. If you want to understand how to choose the right plan without making costly mistakes, like and subscribe to the channel. I will break down everything in ways that actually make sense.